Hi, my name is Jerry Brusher, and I'm an adjunct professor in manufacturing and engineering technology here at North Central Michigan College.
Yes, I'm Bob Carpenter, also adjunct professor in the manufacturing and engineering technology department, and we are working in our mechatronics lab.
Our last integration opportunity is with our smart factory, and this is the embodiment of Industry 4.0 in our lab. What is Industry 4.0 is the use of smart devices and the industrial Internet of Things to connect automated machines and automated factories.